Verifying your Google Meet account is essential for accessing all its features and ensuring a secure experience. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access Google Meet. Open your web browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In button and enter your Google account credentials. Step 2. Check your account status. Once signed in, check if your account is eligible for Google Meet. You can do this by navigating to your Google account settings and looking for the security section to see if there are any alerts regarding your account status. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. To enhance security and complete the verification process, enable two-factor authentication 2FA on your Google account. Go to the security section of your Google account settings, find two-step verification, and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 4. Verify your phone number. During the 2FA setup, you will be prompted to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and follow the instructions to receive a verification code via SMS. Input the code to confirm your number. Step 5. Review account permissions. After completing the verification steps, review the permissions granted to Google Meet. Go to the Apps with Access to your account section in your Google account settings and ensure that Google Meet has the necessary permissions to function properly. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Google Meet account and enjoy a secure and efficient meeting experience.